Hello everybody and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to open the .7z file in Windows. This is associated with the app 7-Zip, which is really useful and lets you zip up files easier, but it does also zip them up sometimes in this .7z file, which is really useful for people that have it, but you might not. So let's get into how you can install 7-Zip. So to install 7-Zip, click on your browser. I'm going to be using Google Chrome, and then type 7-zip.org, and then press enter. You'll see here's their website. Not very impressive, but you can just press download on the .exe 64-bit file, or 32-bit if you use Windows 32-bit. Then click on it, and you'll need to press yes, then press install. It does not take that very much time to install because it's not a very big program, and next time you need to open a .7z file, it should work. To open the .7z file, just in case you're having trouble with it, you can right-click on any file. If it's not working, then press 7-zip, and you'll see it gives you this Open Archive button. That's really useful for any type of archive. Or you can extract files to a specific location, and stuff like that. Or you can even compress them to different zip formats like 7z and .zip, just in case you want to do that as well. So I highly recommend you try out 7-zip. It is really useful, and it helps you open the .7z file format. So thank you all so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.